Welcome to another voice acting tip of the day. People ask me this a lot. How do you cleanse your palate and get rid of the clickiness and the mouth noises? What do? Take a bite of cracker and a drink of water. It's that simple. Now, why do you do that? Well, food taste tests use crackers and water as palate cleansers to reset your taste buds, and that cleans your palate too. It serves the same purpose. So crackers are kind of bland, they're dry, and they get your saliva going, which cleanses the mouth. So that naturally will get your mouth sounding better. And there you go. Clicks and mouth noise goodbye. Thanks for joining me, and I'll have another voice acting tip of the day soon.